Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to easily get the Easter Egg Melon seed in Grow a Garden. So in this Easter event, there's a brand new plant that you definitely don't want to miss it, and that's the Easter Egg Melon. And the good news is getting this seed is actually pretty simple. You can just buy it directly from the event shop. Just head over to the Easter event shop, this one, and then in here you can just scroll down until you find the Easter egg melon, this one. It's a mythical plant, so maybe it's a little hard to get it. And then it costs around 14,000 Choco Coins, so make sure you have saved up enough coins before coming to this shop. And once you buy it, you will receive a seed that looks like this one. It has a color like this with strip patterns. And after you get this seed, you can just go to your garden and then plant it up until it grows like this. It will grow like this. And okay, that's it. That's how you can easily get the Easter egg melon seed in Grow a Garden. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.